I'm trading here. I've got 20 other coins that are running. One of those coins, like for example, Chiliz, we took profit at about 17, just from memory now, and it's now already up about 14%. Now I can get out of that now, but I think it's going to pump right to that top there. So it'll give me about 25% profit. I'm going to come back, take that $25,000, and now I've got money to put in here. So there's two trades of 10,000 that lies there. I take the other 5,000, I go and buy the 45 coins. I rotate my money the whole time, over and over and over. You know, people that have got 20,000 can make it. People with 10,000 can do this. People with 5,000 can do this. People with 1,000 can do this. But what blocks people is the effort to do it. I've noticed that now is the effort. People rather want to take $20,000. They want to go bang. I'm putting 20,000 on, let's say, a coin Aloe, because we think that Aloe is going to break. So let's say people think like this. We're not eating anybody. We're just saying what I've seen so far. Problems are always humanity. It's human problems. In the oil and gas industry, we've got a term saying it's a human error. When this breaks out here, what people want to do, they go like, man, this now is positive. It beats everything. I'm going to put a 20,000 there, hope for glory. And then it goes up and up and up. And then it goes down again. Now you've got 2, 3, 10, 20 other coins that are running, but your money is locked up here. Now what you want to do is you say, oh, this thing is going to go down. I'm going to sell. You sell, you've got 16,000 left. You jump from coin to coin. I'm going to go into this one because that one is running. Now it goes up 10%. You're happy. And boom, it drops down. Now you sell, you've got 14,000 left. Guys, this is what's happening. I've been there. I've done this in 2016, 17, 18. Your structured approach, buy a set number of coins, 10 coins, 12, 20, 30 coins, depending on your value, depending on how hard you want to work to. In my case, I like 20 plus 30 coins. Because out of them, what's going to happen is kind of like I'm putting my money in a basket like popcorn. And when one of these popcorn spike, boom, I'm catching it with a net. I'm out. Thank you. I made 20, 30, $40,000 profit. Boom. Thank you. Now I'm waiting. Now I set that cash, leave it there. Boom, another one spikes. I'm out. Catch it with a net. Out. Now I've got 28 coins. Another coin comes up. I've got all the money back. Remember the original investment plus the profit. I'm patient. I'm just waiting. Boom, add 2 more. Now for 2 days, nothing happens. And the coins keep going down and down and down. I've got cash reserves here. I'll just add a little bit, add a little bit, add a little bit. And by the way, remember this now, and I spoke to a few members about this. Why do we skim profit?